New pandemic coming? Japan declares nationwide flu outbreak. Over 4,000 hospitalized. Japan is facing a nationwide flu outbreak. Cases have surged significantly, leading to hospitalizations and school closures. This epidemic has arrived nearly 5 weeks earlier than expected. Health officials are urging immediate vaccination for vulnerable groups. Experts suggest this early start may become more common due to global environmental changes. Precautions like mask wearing and hand washing are advised. Read more below. With the changing weather and declining immunity, flu season was expected to arrive in the coming months across the world. However, has declared a nationwide flu outbreak following a high rise in hospitalizations and school closures, leaving the public health system under pressure. Take a look. According to Japanese media reports, the health ministry has confirmed that the national average has surpassed the epidemic threshold, reaching 1.04 patients per medical institution. What's surprising is that typically Japan sees a flu season from late November or December, but this year, the outbreak has arrived nearly 5 weeks earlier, alarming the citizens and officials. The health ministry reported that by October 3rd, more than 4,000 people had been hospitalized with influenza, a fourfold increase from the previous week. 28 of Japan's 47 prefectures have reported rising cases, particularly in Tokyo, and at least 135 schools and childcare centers have been temporarily shut down. According to health specialists, the early and intense outbreak could signal a shift in the flu virus's behavior. Professor Yoko Tsukamoto of the Health Sciences University of Hokkaido spoke to the Japanese media saying, "The flu season has started really early this year, but in the changing global environment, this might become a more common scenario." Tsukamoto advised common precautions like vaccination, wearing masks, washing hands regularly and avoiding spreading infection. Experts have been urging the vulnerable population, including the elderly, children and those with pre-existing conditions, to get vaccinated immediately. For most healthy individuals, the flu may be unpleasant but not dangerous. But for vulnerable groups, early vaccination is crucial, added Tsukamoto. ChatGPT said, News update for YouTube channel. Title: New pandemic coming. Japan declares nationwide flu outbreak. Over 4,000 hospitalized. Japan is on high alert after declaring a nationwide flu outbreak, with over 4,000 people hospitalized and more than 100 schools temporarily closed. Health officials say the outbreak arrived 5 weeks earlier than expected, putting pressure on hospitals and alarming the public. The Japanese health ministry confirmed that flu cases have now surpassed the epidemic threshold, averaging 1.04 patients per medical institution across the country. The situation is most severe in Tokyo, where dozens of schools and childcare centers have been shut down to prevent further spread. Experts believe global environmental changes may be altering the flu virus's seasonal patterns. Professor Yoko Tsukamoto of the Health Sciences University of Hokkaido said, "The flu season has started really early this year, and with changing global conditions, this might become a more common scenario." Officials are urging immediate vaccination, especially for the elderly, children, and people with chronic illnesses. Common safety measures, mask wearing, regular hand washing, and staying home when sick are strongly advised. With the early and intense rise in infections, concerns are growing that this could be the start of a new global flu wave. Subscribe to the channel for more breaking world news updates.